loosen that, you just lift the whole bar off.
Who's holding the
Yeah,
bar?
then you'll need a probably step ladder or something.
Oh,
You see
okay.
these little supports like that one right there?
Yeah.
There's a little set screw that's just made to be fit tight. So.
So guys, just to let you know what we're doing. So we decided to go ahead and try and get this front window, as you can see Dan working on, open. We've been dealing with literally 90-degree and above weather for the last week and a half, and we're looking at probably at least another week of that. Plus, this isn't the hottest part of the summer. We haven't hit summer. I guess this is unusual for here. And we decided to go ahead and try and get this window to open because it hasn't yet. And just clean out all the gunk. It gets so hot in this room because the sun comes beaming in. We're getting all the gunk cleared off, got the window out. Dan did an absolutely fabulous job getting that done. And we're going to work on getting this working. So stay tuned. This is the storm window for this particular window that we did get off. It was actually pretty easy to get it off. We were thankful it was because this house was empty for at least 6 years, and even before that, before we purchased it, and before that, we honestly have no idea how often these windows have been used, especially since the bars and the rope that you've seen us replace, you know, none of them were working, so we have absolutely no idea how long it's been that any of these windows have been used. So we're actually really excited to get this window up and running, and some of the other ones upstairs too, but this is I'm really excited about this. It's going to bring in some fresh air, and it'll be another amazing project done, so yay. Okay, so just so you guys understand what we're doing, when they put this in, apparently, you can see that they put this board in over how this board goes in to get the weight out. And I was trying to figure out how in the world we were going to do this, and as always, my genius husband comes up with a way to accomplish something. So he decided to go in and just cut that part of the board and just pull out a smaller piece of the slit. You can still get in there easily and yet not damage the framework there. So
This is the board where you access the window weights.
yeah, this was very smart, honey, as always.
And it was trapped underneath this piece of trim. So I had to go in and actually cut off a little bit of it so I can get that board out. now I gotta pull all this insulation out so I can get to the weights.
Luna's watching. What you doing, Daddy?
Put you to work.
I know. Right. Oh, I love it.
Actually, I should probably get the shop vac for this. It's a bit messy.
Yeah. We had some of the windows open upstairs just to circulate while we were dealing with taking the paint off, and we had one of the fans in the window to prop the window open before we repaired it, and she kept sneaking out onto the roof. We found her on the roof a couple times. We definitely keep an eye on her. There's a weight in there, right?
No.
We have that spare one upstairs.
Huh?
I thought we had a spare one upstairs, don't we?
Oh.
So he's doing that to get the insulation out. Typically, in the windows, we've been finding insulation around the weight, and you have to get some of that insulation out for the weight to be able to adjust up and down inside the frame. For some reason, we're not finding the weight yet. We're hoping that maybe it might even just be stuck inside with the insulation. If there is no weight, stay tuned. I'm not sure. We'll see how this goes. So it may be hard for you to hear with the vacuum running, but he was just trying to determine how far up the insulation is going. We're still hoping that maybe the weight is up in there, but either way we need to get the insulation out, so that's kind of what he's trying to do.
What?
You think that the weight might be caught up in the insulation in there?
It'd be sitting right here.
Yeah.
And, you know, the other smaller windows upstairs had those 9-pound weights.
Yeah.
So these weights would be significantly heavier since
Oh, wow.
it's a heavy window.
Right.
We're gonna have to order them online.
Yeah.
So
We'll figure it out.
for now, I'm just gonna close this back up and, you know, see if we can at least raise the window and prop it with something. to get
Yeah.
some fresh air in here.
Absolutely. So I guess
Disappointing, but
we'll stay tuned, guys, for the next part of that. We'll keep you posted on how that goes. Till next time, see you then.